So I wanted to make a quick video to give you a pointer. So this is an old tune port car, but it's the same on virtually any car. So this thing has an engine mess on number 8 cylinder. I put a set of plugs in it and I checked compression, and it's got fire to that plug. The plug wire is good and compression is good, about 150 pounds. So my thought was injector. So the easiest way to check to see if an injector is good or bad, you can measure resistance if you want, but that won't tell you if it's stopped up or not. So this is just an old OTC injector pulser. It just, you hook it to the battery and you push the button, and if it's plugged into an injector, you'll hear the injector clicking. So what you can do is put you a fuel pressure gauge on it, get you one of these. Fuel pressure gauges are, I'm going to guess, $30–40. This thing, I've had it about 35 or 40 years, so I don't know how much they are now, but I'm going to assume $30–40 also. And this could save you a lot of hassle and heartache. So, let me find my plug. So it just comes with a plug, and so you plug it into your injector. When you hit this, I've got this one set at 100 pulses. Let's go to 50 pulses. When you push the button, it will pulse that injector 50 times. You can watch your fuel pressure. See it go down? You know that not only is it working, it is moving fuel. So let's go to the next one. That was number 6 cylinder. So let me cycle the pump again. You can do that by just turning the switch on. Wait about 4 or 5 seconds, turn it off. That cycled the pump to build fuel pressure again. So now we're at about 40 pounds. It does leak down a little. Plug it into number 8. Hit your button, watch your fuel pressure. See, you can hear that injector. So if you check that injector with a meter to check resistance, which is a common way of checking the injector, you still don't know if that injector is good. But this will tell you not only is the injector pulsing, is it moving fuel? And it's not moving fuel. So that's my engine mess. So in conclusion, get you a cheap injector pulser and a fuel pressure gauge. And if you have a question of whether you have a bad injector on an old tune port or a old throttle body or a late model car, it all does the same. Hope this helps. Thanks.